Welcome to the 7 Secrets to Essential Speaking. Find your voice, change your life. Secret number 7 is be yourself. Most speaking training programs begin with that. Or your advice from your best friend probably says, just be yourself. Just be yourself. I have to tell you that the people I work with, my clients, cannot be themselves because they are filled with anxiety. They have fear. They have trepidation. So being themselves, sure, get up and say, hey, I'm scared. No, they don't want to do that. So that's why all the secrets that I've been sharing with you build to this last one. It's not the first thing. It's the last thing that you need to arrive at, and you won't arrive at it unless you take this inner journey to discover your best self, discover how to stay grounded in the present, and discover how to engage people with your soft, available eyes, and how to be a listener. All of the secrets that I've been sharing lead to being yourself. And again, it's being your best self. So that's the whole basis of confidence, is you are connected to your best self. And I'm doing this. I'm going down, 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 because it's not about what you say. It's not about your words. It's about your essence. The essence of who you are brings forth the essence of what you have to say. Just be yourself.